Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a quick, affordable clothing try-on haul. I have to say that slow because it's a lot. These are all going to be from the website Unioos, if I'm saying that correctly. But I was so impressed when I got these items in the mail because they're super affordable, but the quality is really good. Because sometimes you try items that, you know, they're cheaper, more affordable, we'll say that. But the quality's not there. You guys, the quality's there and it's affordable. So I wanted to share the items that just came in. I have, I think, 5 or so items, so it's not gonna be super long, but I have some really cute dresses to share with you. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see what I picked out, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first item that I wanted to share is this top right here, and then the rest of the items are going to be dresses. But I think this is such a cute, kind of little baby tall peplum top. I wore this on the 4th of July, this exact outfit, and then I had a cute little red headband, and everybody loved it. But I'll get close up so you guys can see the detail. It's kind of like a ruching detail right here. And then these straps are adjustable, which I like, and then it kind of just flares out like that. They had a few different colors. I went with this blue because I thought it was like a really different, you know, blue shade. I really liked it. Next is this beautiful maxi dress. I love it. It's super different. As you can see, if I get, you know, stand on my tippy toes, you have 2 slits on the side right here, and it's like the perfect length. It goes like pretty much right to my ankles, which is nice, so I can wear it with flip-flops or I can wear it with wedges or heels. Get close up so you can see the details. It's kind of a little bit of a ruching material, and then it is a halter, obviously, that ties around your neck here and the back right here. The only thing with this is that you're not going to be able to wear a bra. I mean, you could wear a strapless bra, but you're gonna see the straps, but the back is the best part of the dress. I absolutely love it. I don't have anything on today, but you could get kind of like the sticky boobs or the chicken cutlet boobs, whatever you wanna call them. That's what I usually call them, and just like pop them in unless you're blessed with a bigger area here. But I love this dress. I think it's so beautiful, especially for the summer months. So this is the only maxi dress I went with, and then the 3 other dresses are going to be adorable as well. Next is this baby doll dress, and I actually almost blend into the background of my room here, but I love it because it has the straps that tie right here. But there's also a different way, which I'm going to show you with the next 2 dresses, that you can wear this as well. But I'll get close up so you can see the print and the detail of this dress. This is just like a nice light baby pink, almost kind of like a leopard print, if you will. But I love it, and it's nice because it does have a little lining right here, so it's not see-through, because these sheer materials sometimes they don't come with a lining underneath, and you don't want that to be see-through, you guys. But you could dress this up, you could dress this down, wear flip-flops, wear wedges. It's super comfortable, super airy. And the other thing that I do want to say with this clothing and this website is that this is a size small, and it's a true size small. Other websites, a size small fits me like a medium or a large. This is actually true to size. Everything fits me really great, so I did want to mention that. So the last 2 dresses are the same as the last dress I just showed you. They're just all different prints. I believe I got all the prints available in this dress. There might have been one more print, but I loved it so much that I got it in all the prints. So I'll get close up so you can see the detail. It's like watercolors, pastel. I love it. We've got the tie straps right there. The last dress, I'm going to show you how you can wear it differently, but I kind of just tied them. You can tie them, you know, further up, further down, adjust the straps, which is nice. But it's such a beautiful dress. I love it. I feel so girly in it. Again, we've got the sheer lining underneath, so you don't have to worry about seeing your underwear or anything. It's not see-through, and I think it's the perfect length as well. It's not too short at all. This is the last print that I got in the dress, but as you can see, I tied it around as a halter, and then I tucked the straps to the back, so you could totally wear it that way if you want, if you don't want to deal with tying the straps right here, because sometimes it can be kind of difficult. I usually sometimes have to have someone help me, so it looks like a perfect you know, loop or bow on my shoulder. It's kind of hard and difficult to tie, so I'm actually just wearing this as a halter instead. But this is the last print that I went with. It's kind of, you know, a lighter, not really pastel colors, kind of pastel, but kind of like peachy colors and light pinks and light green, like sage green, but I really like it. Again, I just think this dress is so beautiful, so comfortable. You could wear it pretty much anywhere, perfect length, not see-through because we have the lining as well. So I'll kind of turn around as you can see. But these dresses are really affordable, and what I like about all the clothes so far is that it's true to size. Okay guys, so that is it for this quick try on fashion haul. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked any of these items, if you're thinking of checking out this site. I will have a coupon code listed down below as well as these items if you're interested. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.